to start by saying thank you to my grandfather, Sri Sardar Malik, without whom my musical ability is nothing, because I've learned everything from him. And I would like to thank my gurus, Srimati Rita Kaul, with whom I started learning my music. She's right there. And Kadir Ghulam Mustafa Khan Sahab, who I'm learning classical music from as well. I want to thank Amal. Amal, can you come on stage, please? It's only because of Amal that this album has been possible, because he's produced the best world-class sound for me, and I'm really proud of him to have him produce my album. Dad, Mom, this is a dream come true for me, and I'm really happy that this has been possible, and y'all have helped me get this out. I want to thank Salim sir, because without Salim sir, the Crazy Connection song wouldn't have been possible. And he's guided me through everything. Ever since I met him for the first time in the studio, he's been my teacher in the studio, outside the studio. And I always take advice from him till now. And I'm sure you'll always keep me under your guidance. I want to thank the whole Universal team for all their support. Mr. Sunil Disa, Mr. Devraj Sanyal, who's not here right now, Mr. Sajid Maklai, Subarna Roy, and the whole team at UMGI. And last but not the least, Mr. Salman Khan, who's had the faith in me and my talent, and he brought it out in Jai Ho. And I'm really happy that he gave me that opportunity. And now I present this album to you. This album's basically it gives everyone an idea of what a teenager feels, different stages of love. You know, the first love, first time you see a girl, what do you feel? And then there's heartbreak. There's a song about heartbreak, and there's songs there's an up-tempo song where the people go to a party and enjoy. So it's basically how people in my age group would, you know, experience things about their life and the various stages of love. And Amal has given a really beautiful song called Le Ja Zakham Tere, which is a really close song. And I hope you all like it. I'm going to perform for you all. Arman.
Arman, if you ever want to be photographed, I have Mr. B.K. Tambe's card. You will. Tambe ji he's a photographer, press photographer. He's been there since much before our time. Yeah, he used to be Chunky Pandey's favorite photographer. Abhi bhi hai ya bhul gaya Chunky Pandey ko? Huh? All the parties, everything he used to cover. Still around, still shooting. Lovely. The man looks still looks the same. This evening is dedicated to Mr. B.K. Tambe and his card. Looks like that, huh? So, hi. These guys, both these guys, Amal and Arman, are really, really amazing. Their grandfather, their father, both their uncles are totally into music. And the father is the youngest amongst everyone. Dabbu is a very dear friend of ours, and these boys have grown up in front of us. And they've been very enthusiastic about the music. There's been a lot of support from the mother and from the father. No matter what times they went through, they made sure that this boy and the older one They studied and they studied music and they went to the best music schools, etc., etc., etc. They put in their sweat, their blood, everything to get these boys where they are today. And I don't think that both these kids are ever going to let their parents down. My request is to the mother that she should leave him alone now. She should just डांस क्लासेस में माँ को जाना है, सिंगिंग क्लासेस में माँ को जाना है, हर जगह माँ को जाना है. ऐसे अभी छोड़ दो हाथ, बच्चा निकल गया है, आगे चलने दो. तो एक दिन I was on doing some cardio and both these brothers came. और रुक जाओ, एक्सेंट बाद में मिलेंगे तस्वीर खींचने के मौके. ये दोनों भाई आए and see how you know the kind of games that we play in the film industry. इन्होंने मुझे 6-7 गाने सुनाए. तो मैंने बोला कि ठीक है, जैसे और कौन से 2 गाने, जैसे ये 2 गाने जो अच्छे नहीं थे अब हमने यूनिवर्सल को दे दिए हैं, तो ऐसे वो सुना दो. तो वो सुनाए. And I really like those songs. तो I said ये किसको दिए थे? जैसे यूनिवर्सल को दिए हमने. तो I said I want these songs. How do we, you know, Bhushan is doing the music. How do we get these songs out? They said now it will be difficult. He said but they didn't want the songs, and we forced them to take the songs. So I said now force them to get back the songs. So I said do not mention my name. Mr. Amal there, being a smart ass, has gone and told these guys that you know Salman wants it for his film. So I said, are you crazy? There's no way they're going to give it now. Now they'll want the songs. ऐसा हुआ, फिर बात हुई, लंबा चौड़ा discussion हुआ. Universal was really sweet to give us the music, and I said that once you launch your film, I mean there was no point at that point in time launching the music. I said let these 2 songs come in Jai Ho. And then after that, there'll be a phase. He's going to, start the film, with that song. So at that point in time, after that, you can do your music release and you can do your album. So these songs were there. All the songs were amazing. We got 2 really amazing songs in the movie. And I'm so happy for these boys that they are here. Their songs have been appreciated. Come, Aman. Very enthusiastic, especially this dude here. इनके रात के 2-2 बजे फोन आते हैं मेरे को. I had to mention as a back off, dude. I'm going to come home and slap the shit out of you. This is not the time I want to listen to music. Give them a song, and half an hour later, गाना ready है. I say यार थोड़ा time ले यार. I say what is this rubbish? I say your father takes 4 years to make this song. हाँ, अभी तक गाना हुआ है, वो बिंदिया चमके कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है फादर का गाना. इसमें कुछ अभी तक वो कुछ शहनाई के बिट्स मिसिंग है गाने के अंदर जो डाल रहे हैं. So I mean, the amount of enthusiasm they have in their family for music and the passion that I hope it doesn't happen between these 2 kids here. I remember. Now you take this as a compliment, yeah. You have to take this as a compliment. I remember I've done a lot of music with their uncle, Annu Malik. He's given me some really good hit songs. And then I signed Dabbu for Tumko Na Bhul Payenge. There was 2 songs that he did. To take this as a compliment. It means how interested and how amazing they are with music, yeah? So Annu comes home. And he said, यार वो picture करनी है आपके साथ वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. So I said, yeah, I mean this film I'm doing, I don't have any other film, or I've signed Dabbu for that thing. I thought he's come to tell me, okay, thanks man, he needed work, and thank you, you brothers. That thank you that that today he's doing some music for you guys, and I'm really happy. उल्टा ही निकला यार. इसे उसको क्या को लिया? I am the music guy, यार. I give superb music. तो I said, ये क्या हो गया यार? ऐसे तेरा छोटा भाई अन्नू इसे हाँ हाँ ठीक है, आई लव हिम, बट म्यूजिक आई एम बेटर. You take me for the songs. I'm the head of the family. Take me for the songs. तो ऐसे ये कमाल का ऐसा अनु इस फिल्म में तो you know डब्बू मलिक हो गया है और kindly go home now. So I thought, so this is the amount of, I said, take it as a compliment. I mean, how dedicated with music these boys are. कहाँ हैं अनु? आए आपके अंकल? नहीं आए? Oh. He must be hosting. He must be busy. He must be hosting something. Otherwise, he would not miss it. Anyway, that's like I said. You have to take. They're too. I mean, like totally into music, and that's why I said that there's music. एक अपनी जगह है, and you sing as well. He sings. You compose. He also composes. Both these boys are geniuses, and the father is a big help. These guys. The main melody, I think, comes from the father. The energy level comes from these two guys. Father की energy level थोड़ी सी ढीली है. Father music बजी. रो रहे हैं पीछे. तो ये है और आज इन दोनों का म्यूजिक चल गया है. ये और इनका एक और स्पेशलिटी है, म्यूजिक से अच्छा ये बैक मसाज देते हैं. सीरियसली ये देखो ना, आस्क हिज वाइफ. It's damn good. And his brother has got this knack, Anu, has got this knack of as soon as you meet him, he's a Gana sun. And then he uses your back as a tabla. Like, yeah. So this is the enthusiasm these boys have. And I hope they will continue to have this enthusiasm and they go a long way. Because the music is good, they've got the right chords, they've got the right notes, they've got the right feel. And God bless them both and keep on giving me some kick-ass music, dude.